second day of it's my second day of homeschooling.
So, what are you going to do now?
I'm reading the Gruffalo now.
Okay.
That a fox looked through, a mouse took a stroll through the deep dark wood. A fox fooled a mouse and a mouse looked good. Hey, said the mouse. Why, Snake? Hello. Snake took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, crumbs, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he slid to his log pile house. They walked.
Here.
You see, said the mouse. I told you so. Amazing, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hoot in the trees ahead.
Ooh. What's next happening?
It's Owl, said the mouse. Why, Owl, hello. Owl took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh dear, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And Well, Gruffalo, said the mouse. You see, everyone's afraid of me, but my tummy's beginning to rumble. My favourite is Gruffalo crumble! Gruffalo crumble! The Gruffalo said, and quick the wind he turned and fled.
Is the Gruffalo scared?
All was quiet in the deep dark wood. The mouse found a nut, and the nut was good.
The end?
Yeah. Now we're looking for some diagraph words in this Gruffalo book.
Okay. Here. You're going to write it here once you find something, okay?
Ow! Ow! Well. Next I'm going to do is shape hunting.
Oh, you got that already? So, there. What's in there?
Oh, I found one. It's called circle, but it's a new. What is that shape again?
Is it a circle?
Round.
Flat.
A rectangle.
Can you show it, please?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Square.
Oh.
Like a seat you can sit on.
Yeah. What shape is it?
Oval.
Okay.
My house.
Is it your house?
Yeah,
What
I
shape
mean.
is it?
A triangle.
And this one?
Square?
This side. Yeah, that's square.
It's so much fun. Every day you come outside. Dance, dance, dance. So much. It's time to write about character, and now I'm writing about character is Snake. Snake in, like in the Gruffalo story.
It's the fish.
Yeah, let me see. Snake is long, and the snake has black and white skin.
Okay. Well done, Jacob. Let's close the story.